This is a DM4 wax frame that fits in the brood body of a national beehive, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put one together. In your kit you should have a top bar, 2 side bars and 2 bottom bars, and also your DM4 wax frame. Now, first thing to do is to get your top bar and remove the wooden splint. Just clean the gap out, and you take your top bar and lay it down. You take your side bar, push it in, and you do the same with the other one. Now you'll notice on this frame that there is one flat edge and there is one pointed edge. Basically these are to space the frames out. There should be one pointing up and one pointing down. First thing you do then is you lay it on your bench. So using the gimp pins, place it on the flat edge and you put the nail in. You then have to turn it round to do the same on the opposing side. Get your bottom bars and to place them into the grooves so they're nice and flush with the edge. You nail downwards at a slight angle. Very thin, so take care while you're doing them, of course. Nice and flush. Again, nice and flush to the edge. And then you're ready to put your second one in. Once you've got to that stage and got your 4 nails in, you take your wax. This is Premier DM4 frame wax. You thread it through the gap, sliding nicely down. Sometimes you might need to trim your wax slightly just to get it in, because these frames, sometimes the wax can be a little bit too big for the frames. Now, the metal lugs on the bottom that you can see, there's 3 of them. You need to bend these round at a 90-degree angle. Can be quite tricky because obviously you don't want to bend the wax with it as well. Nice and snug to the bottom, and then you can see now why I've bent the lugs round, because we take this bar that we moved out of the top bar earlier and we push it over the top of them, which traps them. That holds the wax in place so that if it is slightly loose it won't move around. So the trick is to nail it through the lug in each of these V's that they make through the wax frame. Just tack it in and start nailing away. Just need to do 2 more. And then 3rd and final one. And that's your completed DM4 wax frame for a brood.